Let's open the box and take a closer look at this Zalman CNPS5X Performa socket 1151 or 1150 or whatever Intel socket fan it is. Well, I bought it for the 1151 system, so it will for sure, I hope, support 1151. So the fan in a plastic shell. You get this bracket. You get I think this is a thermal compound that they include that I will probably use. Super thermal grease, Zalman. Yes, screws and spacers. I think they are for to make it compatible for different types of sockets. I'm not sure. I have to look at the papers, see which sockets exactly it supports. If you're buying it, you probably already did the research. User's manual. Okay, so it says socket. Okay, Intel 1150X, which is 1150, 1151. Wow, it even supports 775. That's so cute. AMD FM2, FM1, AM3, AM3, AM2 plus, AM2. Wow, it supports literally everything. They could have just written down that it supports everything. Okay, so this is a box. On the box, but the papers, and this is the heatsink and fan. So the base, you see there's the copper pipes are going across the chip. Aluminum plate. And these radiator structure here, where these pipes go through. And a nice big fan which says ultra quiet CPU cooler. Well, I think we will put that to the test. So yeah, that's what you get. I think it's a very good value for money. I paid 16 euros and something for it. Really nice. Okay, thanks for watching.